Step in the cup, they are loving me. I've seen so many dudes, but none of them be like me. Let's see, I'm older. And all this happens suddenly. Listen now. Oh, yeah, suddenly. Step in the cup, they are loving me. Standing so quiet, they're touching me.
This is a flat folding wooden rack. It can be unlocked and folded flat for compact storage or transportation. Its design is based on the previously described foldable ladder. Here, the rack was quickly tested by placing a pair of shoes on its top and bottom shelves. The foldable rack was partially disassembled to give you a better view of its design. It consists of two foldable ladders whose side steps are centrally connected with pieces that form the shelves or layers of the rack. You can review a previous video on this channel about building a foldable wooden ladder for more details on ladder construction. The rack was reassembled by using wooden dowels to connect the central shelf pieces, which have the steps of the two side ladders already attached to their two ends to the vertical support stance of the two foldable side ladders. Wooden dowels inserted into fitting holes were used either to create movable joints or to lock the rack in order to restrict movements, thereby improving stability when the foldable rack is being used. The unlocked rack is easy to fold flat for transportation or storage.
Thanks for watching, and we should always remember that it's not important. You know, it's what